Hello students in Mr. Pilot's grade 12 chemistry class. Today we are going to talk about amides and their structural, physical, and chemical properties and how these compounds are connected to others in different types of reactions. First we'll start with structural properties. Amides are structurally similar to esters, with a nitrogen replacing an oxygen atom in the chain of an ester. As you can see in the picture, the amide's functional group consists of a carbonyl group, which is an oxygen atom double bonded to a carbon, directly attached to a nitrogen atom. The amides linkage are important in biological systems as it forms the backbone of all protein molecules. It is the forming and breaking of these bonds that gives a protein a specific function.
Amides are weak bases and are generally insoluble in water. However, smaller amides are slightly soluble in water because of the polar bond between nitrogen and hydrogen. Amides generally have higher melting points, especially when the nitrogen atoms are bonded to hydrogen atoms.
Amides are the least reactive of the neutral carboxylic acid derivatives. The only reaction the amides undergo is hydrolysis back to the parent carboxylic acid and amine. This reaction requires an acidic or basic solution as well as heat to occur. Like shown in the picture, the reverse of this reaction is the condensation reaction of a carboxylic acid and an amine.
The name of the amide can be considered to be in two parts. The first half comes from the amine. For example, if the amine is methylamine, the amide's name starts with methyl. The second half comes from the acid. To do this, the prefix oic is replaced with amide. For example, acetic acid will become acetamide. When one or more alkyl groups are added to the nitrogen atom, the italicized uppercase letter N is used to point out the location of the group. In the picture, the name of the amide, N,N-dimethyl acetamide, comes from the two methyl groups that are attached to the nitrogen.